Good morning, Don Lane, Fraser Valley News, your morning news update for what usually we would joke about as a Hawaiian Shirt Friday, but it's Friday, August the 18th, and a lot of crazy things on the go. With this cold front that moved in and the wind, it whipped up the wildfires, and we have some serious issues. We have Fraser Valley Regional District with evacuation orders and alerts. And this is including the Hatlatch, Lytton, and Boston Bar. Highway 1 has been shut down. Last night, actually, was shut down at Hope. We're keeping an eye on West Kelowna as the fire embers crossed the lake into Kelowna. Properties in West Kelowna have been lost. We're keeping an eye on that. Also, what is happening in Yellowknife. This is the capital of Northwest Territories. They've been told to get out of Dodge. So this is what we are looking at. The wind is not going to help the dry situation at all. We are seeing many social media reports when it comes to moving farm animals and horses just to get them out of harm's way. There are a number of organizations up on social media that are still on Facebook, thank God, that can help you out. Horse Council of BC is probably the best place to start. But anybody that you know that is involved in ranching and farming, reach out to them ASAP. And you can post, by the way, on Fraser Valley News Facebook page. Yes, we are up and running. And again, social media lighting up about what's been happening with sharing news on Facebook. We had a couple of Amber Alerts earlier that were affected by this blackout of news by Meta. Now we have these situations, plural. We'll just leave it at that. If there's any way that Fraser Valley News, Chill TV, and Abby TV can help you out, let us know. Just get a hold of us through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. Fraser Valley News is up and running. Last night on Chill TV and Abby TV, we had a conversation about the upcoming Chili Bowl. That starts at 6 o'clock tonight for minor football. Also, Abbotsford Police, they were involved in the World Police and Fire Games in Winnipeg. We have that up on Abby TV. Both of those channels are on YouTube as well as Facebook. It's going to be a long one. Don Lane, Fraser Valley News.